Welcome to CyberTheo. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to declutter and organize your digital life. If your devices are overloaded with files, apps, and notifications, stick around to learn some practical tips to simplify and streamline your digital world. Assessing your digital clutter. Begin by identifying areas of digital clutter, whether it's your desktop, email inbox, or smartphone apps. Make a list of the most cluttered areas to tackle first. Cleaning up your desktop. Delete or archive old files that are no longer needed. Organize remaining files into clearly labeled folders. Consider using a minimalist wallpaper to create a clean, distraction-free workspace. Streamlining your email inbox. Unsubscribe from newsletters and promotional emails that you no longer read. Use filters and folders to sort incoming emails automatically. Archive or delete emails that are more than a few months old. Organizing files and documents. Sort your files into categories like work, personal, and important documents. Use cloud storage solutions like Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox to back up and access your files from anywhere. Set up a regular schedule for reviewing and organizing your files. Managing apps and software. Uninstall apps and software that you no longer use. Organize remaining apps into folders on your smartphone or desktop. Update all apps and software to ensure they're running smoothly and securely. Clearing out photos and videos. Go through your photo and video library, deleting duplicates and low-quality images. Back up important memories to the cloud or an external hard drive. Consider creating albums or folders to organize your media by events or dates. Setting up a maintenance routine. Schedule regular digital decluttering sessions, such as once a month, to keep your digital life organized. Automate tasks like backups and software updates to reduce ongoing clutter. And that's how you can declutter and organize your digital life. By following these steps, you'll create a more efficient and stress-free digital environment. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching CyberTheo. Check my links below.